Did you know that before Bob Marley became a legend, another Jamaican artist was already conquering the world? When I tell you this story is incredible, I mean it, people. In 1969, a welder from Kingston's toughest ghetto did something no Jamaican had ever done. Desmond Dekker took his song Israelites straight to #1 in Britain and the top 10 in America. Bob Marley was still unknown while Dekker was explaining Jamaican patois to confused British TV hosts. This wasn't just any song. Dekker sang about the real struggle of poor Jamaicans working multiple jobs just to survive. He did it in pure patois, something the world had never heard on their radios before. The biblical story of the Israelites connected with struggling people everywhere during hard economic times. Producer Leslie Kong discovered this welder and changed music history forever. Dekker's success opened every door that future reggae stars would walk through. Yet somehow, this pioneer who paved the entire road for Jamaican music never got the legendary status he deserved. His working-class anthems predicted reggae's global takeover years before it happened.